Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, I'm Ellie Jane. I make all sorts of videos from dance to recipes to vlogs and self-growth. I basically just create content I really enjoy making. So if you're into any of which I listed, feel free to come back next week for more. But in today's video, I'm taking you along on my raw vegan week. I've been vegan for just over 2 years with my partner, and I actually recently uploaded an update video if you want to check that out after this one. But my partner and I recently went on a raw vegan cleanse.
Are we ready to go raw?
Been ready.
And I wanted to share my experience with you, from the food prep and recipes to my nose literally shrinking from the decreased inflammation in my body. If you're unfamiliar with the raw vegan diet, it basically consists of unprocessed plant foods that are completely raw. We made the exception of having matcha lattes and roasted pumpkin seeds, but other than that, we were completely raw. Coincidentally, there was a 2-day market where a lot of produce was discounted, and it was just so timely with our decision to go raw.
We're here. I'm excited. Look at the line. The line's long.
Yeah, let's go. What up, girl? Yo.
This is our first time. I'm so excited.
Yeah, me too. There's a lot of people here. Gotta get a deal on some produce. Oh, they already got a head start. Look at that. Everybody out here got wagons. We ain't got none. But
We got arms.
true.
We've been working out.
Yes. We got on feet today. Always.
We went all out. All this produce was less than $80, which was absolutely insane. So we decided to have a final hurrah before going raw the next day. And then we officially started day 1, which I unfortunately lost all the footage from, so let's skip to day 2.
Hey guys! This morning we had a smoothie bowl. So I've never actually had a smoothie bowl. It just looked like you're just pouring your smoothie into a bowl. Like, how could it be any different? But it was actually really, really good. And the protein powder is raw as well from Iron Vegan. Flaxseed, pumpkin seeds, chopped strawberry, blueberry, raspberry, and then we tried cactus root for the first time, and it was really good. It was surprisingly very filling, as opposed to just like drinking a smoothie and having fruit on the side. For dinner, I think we're gonna have some zoodles, some zucchini noodles. Hey y'all! It is currently 5:07 and I'm super excited because we got this spiralizer, which I just suctioned onto the counter, but here it is. Basically, this is gonna help us create noodles out of vegetables. So we're gonna use the thinner one today. I'm so excited. Okay, so we have our courgettes. From the image, it looks like you just stab it.
Careful.
What's going on the other side?
Not a...
Look!
Whoa.
Can you see it?
Oh, there we go.
Look at the core that's coming out.
Spaghetti.
Spiralizer, look at me, it's going so fast. Whoa! Look at this. And just like that, we have zoodles. Oh, and then I also made avocado pesto. It's so thick. These are so like cute and fun. They're like tall mushrooms. And we're gonna use this in the salad. It is not going to waste. Look at this. That is so good.
The chili flakes are like the best touch.
The sauce is super creamy and flavorful. You see how big this bowl of salad is? I used to think iceberg lettuce was mediocre, but this is so good.
For dessert, we had some delicious juicy mango and a couple of raw and organic cold pressed juices.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy. Like, after that dinner, I didn't feel super full. I felt satiated, but just not how I'm used to feeling after I eat, which is just like stuffed. I would say volume-wise, I ate a lot, but everything's just like so light. I would be totally comfortable like sleeping right now, whereas normally I feel the need to stay up to digest, but I actually feel so light.
Let's try yours. Or should I dive in? Blackberry action. Come on. You're taking up all the room. Go.
So this morning I woke up and got out of bed so effortlessly, but when I worked out at the gym and after my workout, I was feeling a little tired and really hungry. I feel like at this point, my body was still adjusting to consuming way less calories. I was trying to focus on eating a lot in volume.
It's open.
But anyways, for dinner, Katie found this video of someone shredding up spaghetti squash with a fork and eating it raw, which I honestly didn't even know you could do with squash. I always thought you had to cook it.
To it.
I changed to my glasses. I'm so tired. So it didn't turn out the way that I pictured it. We tried to spiralize the carrot, but it was too skinny for the spiralizer, so it was literally just coming out in little like half chips. It was weird. I wish we had some lettuce so that we can make like little lettuce wraps or something, but we're just gonna eat it raw.
I love it. It's really good.
Good morning, y'all. Right now we are just picking the raspberries, seeing which ones have mold, because some of them do. And then we're gonna freeze them for smoothies. A lot of our fruit are like ripening at one time, so we're just trying to make sure they don't go bad. And just putting them in containers. I think this morning, what are we gonna have for breakfast?
Smoothie bowls.
Smoothie bowls again.
They're fun. Who this?
I'm so excited. This one is so good.
This might be the best one yet.
This is so good. 10 out of 10.
For dinner, we just had leftovers from yesterday and same salad, and then it was the next day.
Hey y'all.
What that?
I look like a bucket right now. Ah! It's cold. But stop, I can't even see. I don't even know if y'all can hear us, but
A lot of construction on 17th, man. We're just trying to figure it out.
but yeah, we're just going to grab some matchas. I've been waking up at 4 a.m. just like last night and the other night, and I was just so awake. So I was like awake for like an hour, and then I went back to sleep and I woke up hella tired. But yeah, here we are. We're approaching it like right now. That's nice. I love the lavender. Yeah, we're just gonna discuss the plans for today, the future, and enjoy our little tea time.
Talk to you later.
Talk to you later. Doesn't that look freaking amazing? I've been doing this for a few days now, making smoothie bowls, and I am most proud of this one. Do it.
What? What am I doing?
You're making a heart.
Oh, how? Oh, why don't we just go like this? So it's been a pretty long day. We are having a zucchini nut butter bowl,
And yeah, super easy to make. I literally just like mixed it in a bowl and chopped up the garlic and ginger. Here we have it. I'm so excited. We have our leftover pico de gallo, as I would call it, and some leftover salad from yesterday. And avocado. Little vlog update.
Nice, that's clever.
This is the first time that we're feeling full.
Like really full.
And I think maybe also like all the flavors, the saltiness from the coconut aminos, the sweet from the maple syrup, spicy from the chili flakes, fat in the nuts, and
Avocado.
the sourness from the lime, and
Avocado.
the fats from the avocado. Like all of those were just together, it was just really satiating, and I'm just like
Looking kind of round.
feeling kind of round too. Now it's blanket time. Also noticed like we've been feeling pretty cold after our meals because everything's just so freaking cold. Nothing is microwaved or heated up. That's it for the vlog day. See you tomorrow.
Doses.
2 more days, y'all. Then I can have my cruffin.
Soft.
So today I just went to the gym. I just quickly made myself a little shake. For a change, I put cashews in there to give it a creamier texture and to also add fat to my smoothie. So today we're gonna have vegan sushi, which I'm super excited about. The water.
As I was saying,
Eat it.
I do. Speak for yourself.
Okay, we got our choppy sticks.
I always gotta get warmed up though, no cap.
Guys, I am like so proud of this. I made sushi once before with my aunt, and that was like when I was a kid. So this is my first time making sushi since then. It's super easy. But yeah, we made a bunch of combinations. So all the ones on the plate with the scallions, it's kimchi, like different variations of kimchi sushi. And then everything on the big plate is just like a huge mixture of everything.
Being on this diet, when I had thought about it and I had made this choice to, just embark on this new journey, this new little cleanse, this new lifestyle, I didn't expect her to be a part of it. Initially, like when I told her, she was almost like a little bummed out and she just decided that she wanted to do it with me. But I never wanted to for this to be something that I forced on her, but I was happy to hear that she wanted to do it with me for as long as she wanted to. Yeah, she's definitely made this experience a lot richer for the both of us, because I know I'm not capable of doing nothing like this, and I definitely wouldn't have put in the effort that she does. So I say all this to say that I'm very grateful. So thank you, Ellie Jane.
Thank you too.
For making this so much fun.
Yeah.
Let's do this, man.
Let's do this. Okay, where are you starting?
Where are you starting?
I see mango and I want mango, so. Ooh. Yum. It's kind of surprising how the rice or the cauliflower rice, it is very similar to regular rice. Oh, we even have this one is a mango papaya one. The nuts are so good. Good choice on that one.
Y'all ever had nuts in sushi before? I don't think so. Meat-meat-a. The meat-meat-a one is dope. Whoa.
Oh my god, this is so good, you guys.
I don't even know if I need that salad. That pasta.
Yo, we gotta try kimchi.
This is so good. Y'all seen this dragon she made? Hold up. Give him a little, you know what I'm saying? No.
Oh.
You got a close-up of it. Put it on the screen.
Oh yeah, the dragon.
Dragon on the screen now. Show that. You know what I'm saying? You got a little dragon with an avocado pesto drizzle, you know what I'm talking about? You just try it.
Okay. I feel like it needs a lot of the sauce, low key.
Can you give me a drizzle right here? Look at it. Look what she did, bro. She made a drizzler. Oh my.
By the way, this is 80 pieces of sushi.
And it's gonna get killed. Easy.
It's gonna get finished. We're just gonna kill this meal, y'all.
Peace.
So going into this diet, I anticipated I'd lose some weight and maybe some body fat, but I really didn't expect to lose inflammation in my face, hence why I don't have a before shot of what my face looked like. But when I saw my sister during this diet, one of the first things she pointed out was my nose, and she said, "Did you do something to your nose? How is it so much smaller?" And not only did my nose shrink in size, but I also noticed these nodes got smaller as well. I don't know what caused a significant decrease in inflammation. Maybe it was the fact that I was eating all raw whole foods, or maybe because I didn't consume any gluten, or maybe it was even a combination of both. But it was crazy to see those differences. Overall, I enjoyed this temporary change in my diet, and I've done it again since. As for converting to a raw vegan, I don't know about that. Power to the people who do it though, because it was challenging not to think of everything I missed. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really enjoyed making it. Subscribe for more videos from me, and I'll see you next week.